MagBak did it again. They sent us 2 cases. This time it's for the 16 Pro Max and the 16 Pro. I don't know which one is in what case, but this is part of their Pro models of cases, which go for $79.99. Now, what do you get inside? You get the case, which has been revamped. It looks very different than the classic case, and you get a screen protector. But for $79.99, let's look at inside these packages. Again, I don't know which one is which. Which phone shall we start with? The little brother or the big brother? I'm gonna have the judge of all judges decide, Heido, which starter Pokemon shall we go with? We're gonna go with that one. All right. So this one, let's see. The 16 Pro Max. This is what you get in this box. All the instructions, you get a QR code, all that stuff. Comes right off. Now, the last time I did this, it didn't have this pull tab, I don't remember. Did it have this pull tab? I don't think it had this pull tab. I did it for the S25 Ultra. Oh, and so that pull tab has failed. So I might have to, oh, never mind. And like that, it is open. Here we go. That is the box. This is the case right in the forefront. I just want to get a look at it once you're inside of it. It's all black. Check this out. So it's looking like there's a kickstand here. And then these are the magnets that actually come out when you're going to put it on a surface. Take this off. Now this is supposed to be the part of the camera there. Let's look at the inside, shall we? I'll fix that. Now the inside has like a felt. It's very soft, very nice texture. Keeps your phone nice and safe. Now what else do we get in the box? We have our stuff for the screen protector. Nice little foam here. And here it is, the screen protector. Now this doubles as the applicator. So it's supposed to be seamless. Put your phone in, do all that stuff. Bang, boom, you get your screen protector on. I've said this in many videos. I'm going to stand by it. I suck at screen protectors, but I think what I'm gonna do, and I got it crooked the last time, I'm going to attempt to do it one more time on the camera. Hit like if you suck at screen protector application, and leave a comment of your horror stories, but I am terrible at it. So, where is it? Here's the star of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the iPhone 16 Pro Max in all its glory. You're supposed to apply it here. Right. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I messed the last one up so bad, and I said it wasn't MagSafe's fault. And I stand by it. I stand by it. So I'm just gonna get these screen protector accessories out, and we're just gonna clean her up. Nice little microfiber cloth and another alcohol pad. So this one might be for the magnet that comes with the phone. So I'm just gonna try this out right here real quick. Here we go. gonna wipe it. All right, and then we're going to remove whatever particles we can from this screen. Let's see if I can even get this out. And so this is, oh, there we go. There we go. That's done with. I'm only going to do this one time. One time for the fans. It's closed. Right? As a matter of fact, hold on, let me make sure that it's nice and even, because that's what happened last time. All right? And so here we go. So you're just supposed to pull. You only get one pull, one install, so make it count. All right, so let's see how we did. Now, here we go. Check that out. I got it. One pull, it's on there. It's expected to see some bubbles. They said, you know, it'll go away. You can see it. Screen protector is perfectly on. It looks great. I did it. I told you, MagBak. Wasn't your fault. You guys did an amazing job. There it is. Now, for the case. How easy is it to put this thing on? That's it. That's the case. Let's take a little tour around it. Here we go. This is what the case will look like in all black. I like this pillow more. You guys, MagBak, you guys go all out on your iPhone cases. It's freaking great. There's the camera function right there. Here goes the loop for your finger. And so let's see how it does, hold on a surface. Nice and firm. You guys heard that. Oops. Buttons. Nice and smooth. And so you've got your precise cutouts for speakers. The phone is very well protected, I'll tell you. Let's see how the kickstand works. I like how it's secured by a magnet, but there you go. Now I will say the difference between this one and the S25 Ultra's kickstand is that with the S25 Ultra, you can actually vertically stand it up. You can actually make it that way. But they focused more on the horizontal orientation for this one. A better horizontal stand. It's a much better horizontal stand, but you cannot stand it up vertically. Let us know what you think here. And then let's move on to the Pro. There we go. Move this out of the way. This one isn't coming out as easy. Oh, there you go. Spoke too soon. No pull tab on the Pro. Same stuff. We've got your screen protector. Here's the case. You saw me go around it with the Pro Max. Don't think we need to do that for this one. Essentially, you're looking at the same kind of deal. By default, it comes in black. That's just by default. I guess you guys are big fans of Christian Bale's Bruce Wayne because it does come in black. And the star of the show, iPhone 16 Pro. Drop it down. And here she is. Now, right away, the lenses on the 16 Pro Max are bigger, but then they are secured. The reason it doesn't look so secured here is because you actually apply the lip. I took it off. But your lenses are in there. And you essentially get the same case, just the smaller factor, so you're not missing out on anything. And remember what I said, these cases are both customizable. We will do that off camera. And voila. This is the customization we were talking about. You've got some aqua blue here, and you've got some red here. Check this out. You really get to make the phone your own. I went with the red. By default, I went with the blue. But what do you guys think? What colors would you choose? I know they've got other colors like yellow and green. But this is it. This is what the phone looks like after you've fully customized it. You can customize it from the buttons, including the action button, to the side rails, to the loop, to the pillow. This is what the phones look like in this regard. Now, it offers you superior coverage as far as your screen goes. You don't have to worry about your screen getting scuffed up. Around the phone, you've got kind of like a squarish, it turns around corners into almost a squarish kind of a deal. So you've got a solid phone all the way around. But these are the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max cases from MagBak. Type down UTCB, B as in Bravo, 15 before you check out to save 15% off site-wide. That's UTCB 15 at checkout to get 15% off site-wide. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.